As a well-known flower pot manufacturing enterprise, GreenShip is committed to bringing natural scene into living spaces and paying attention to the relationship between human and nature. We always adhere to the concepts of environmental friendliness and sustainable development in the course of development process. Use the environmental protection concepts to lead the iteration and updation of technology, compared with traditional craftsmanship. By using clean energy photovoltaic power generation, new craftsmanship will reduce a total of more than 80% of pollution emissions during the production process. The raw materials used are 100% recyclable, including recycled mixed particles, June porcelain clay, and auxiliary materials. After multiple processing procedures and manual craftsmanship, the finished product is noble and elegant, thick and strong, with unique and wonderful patterns and unbreakable property. And 100% recyclable GreenShip handmade pots. The waste materials generated during the production process are recycled to avoid waste, making all resource fully utilized. All gases in the workshop are processed by environmentally friendly low-temperature catalytic combustion equipment. Zero carbon emissions and overall carbon neutral. Choose GreenShip handmade pots. Choose to support environmental protection and let us work together to improve the global environment.